Hello everybody, it's Wendy and it's one of my favorite days of the month. It is the unboxing of the Magical Mystery Bead Box. I'm so excited. But first, our encouraging word for today is give a girl the right shoes and she will conquer the world. Love that. All right, so Magical Mystery Bead Box. Oh, I love this time of the month. This is for July. Magical Mystery Bead Box for July, and let's just open it up and see what is good in here. So it looks like we are stranded somewhere. Awesome. And they sent me a little note also to tell you all that for the subscribers from June 30th to 7/31, if you want to subscribe to the Magical Mystery Bead Box, you can get $5 off your first subscription box. The code is Wendy5, and I will have a link in the description box below if you're interested in doing that. So let's take a look. So it says, Stranded, where in the world are your beads taking you? Very cool. And of course on the back, they always have everything listed out here. So let's just see what we have. It looks like we have a bead strand in Hawaiian Islands, USA, which I would love to go to. Ooh, here it is. Oh wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. So we've got, of course, the beautiful sparkly boho beads that they are known for, these beautiful beads. We've got some center drilled flower pieces. Ooh, some really pretty glass. This is like, has a really cool finish on it. This is beautiful. Some really sparkly rondelles. So this is the Hawaiian Islands strand, and it is beautiful. Wow. Okay. So there's that one. And then we have a metal bead strand in World Cruise. Let me find this one. Ooh, here it is. Very cool. So this is silvers and some blue Hishi beads. Very cool. Look at this. Just a lot of really textured silver beads. We've got some saucer shapes, some disc shapes, some bead caps in here. It looks, well, not really bead caps, more like spacers. Really pretty. And this is the metal strand in World Cruise. Just beautiful. Okay, and then we have Dakota Stones bead strand in Sunset Flight. Oh, this is pretty too. Ooh, it's purple. Look how pretty. So Dakota Stones, Sunset Flight. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these gorgeous, I don't know if this is jasper. It looks like jasper to me. Very beautiful. Wow. Some pretty spacers on here. Some really sparkly boho beads. This all looks like jasper. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to enjoy working with that one for sure. 2 destination boho bead strands. So let me look here. 2 destination boho bead strands. Hold on, guys. Okay, so that would probably be London, England, and Las Vegas, USA, I'm thinking. Okay, so here is London, England. Oh no, this is Las Vegas, but these are tencha beads, right? Yes. So here are the 2 destination boho bead strands, but I am not seeing the tag for this one, so I don't know what destination this is. Looks like India or something, because it's got an elephant. So maybe India or Africa, I don't know. But anyway, really cool. The elephant is adorable. We've got some really pretty boho beads on here. Some of these big bead caps that I like, and mixing metals. I love mixing metals, the copper and the bronze and the gold. Just beautiful. And here is London, England. Look how pretty. Just gorgeous. I love these bead caps here that are kind of like back to back. I do that a lot with bead caps anyway, so I think that's really cool. So London, England, and then we've got the Tensia strand in Las Vegas, USA. So there we have it. Look how beautiful these are. Oh, they're so pretty. That's going to make beautiful necklace and earrings maybe. Gorgeous. Look at that. Okay. Then we have Leather Cord USA 2mm leather pack. Here we go. Gunmetal leather. I love working with leather. This is going to be fun. This looks really pretty with these Dakota stones. Looks really pretty with all of it, but this is 2mm leather. It says here 1mm. So, oh, 2 meters. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. 1mm, 2 meters leather pack. Okay, gotcha. All right, and then we have some nautical antique brass chain. Oh, here's the, oh, there we go. I found it. Here's the, so it's Botswana. Chobe Park, Botswana. Okay, there we go. This goes with this one. All right, and then this is our 18-inch nautical antique brass chain. Why can't I get this open? Why can I not get this open? Okay. There we go. This is really cool. I love chain like this. Beautiful. That's going to be a lot of fun. And then we have a finding set. So, let me see here. I'm just making sure I've got everything out of the crinkly stuff. Okay, so we have some chainmail rings. 100 pieces of chainmail rings. These are 18 gauge. Looks like a kind of a coppery color. And then this little cord ends. I thought cutting that off would get it out, but it didn't. Cut off the end of the baggie. Okay, here we go. So we have some cord ends for the leather. So these are glue-in cord ends. Okay, and a lobster claw clasp. So, this is intriguing magical mystery bead box, I have to say. We have all these destinations. We've got Hawaiian Islands, World Cruise, Sunset Flight. We have Botswana. We have London, England, and Las Vegas, Nevada. And all of this extra here to work with. So this is going to be a whole lot of fun this month with July. Like I said, they have the coupon code Wendy5 will give you $5 off of your first subscription box if you want to subscribe. And I'll have a link for that in the description box below this video. And yeah, so take a look at it. It's a beautiful box every month. These beads are just gorgeous. And I always have so much fun working with them. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.